According to a source, it was revealed that with latest Samsung flagship S10 lineup, you cannot use a screen protector. Should you still buy the latest flagship smartphone or not? Stay tuned to know details of Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And subscribe to my channel for more latest updates. According to a screen protector company, they claim that we have tested our cases on real Galaxy S10 phones. The in-screen fingerprint does not support screen protector. Therefore, company confirmed that its premium protective Vanguard cases will be the only version to be without screen protector. Of course, not everyone uses screen protectors, or even cases, but with increasing price for Galaxy S10 lineup, and not having the option to install screen protector, will be a deal breaker for some people. However, this news is only from one screen protector designing company, that we can't rely on without more sources. So, we have to wait until we get some more information. Moreover, a picture shared on Reddit that shows a phone seemingly S10 Plus in a case. Although we can't be confirmed that this is the real plus-sized flagship smartphone, but the pill-shaped camera cutout certainly suggests so. The image is very low quality, so there isn't much details viewable. More, we can note that the screen looks really stunning and bezels are shrunken a bit more. Another person of the thread has claimed to have seen the S10 Plus, and they shared some details that the smartphone is same size as Note 9, however, much lighter in weight. Also claimed that they didn't notice the pill camera cutout at all when using S10 Plus. He also said that the facial recognition is much faster than the under-display fingerprint scanner, especially the sensor is apparently harder to find, as the interface doesn't guide you to the right spot. Finally, they say the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus doesn't have an iris scanner, which we've heard before. Huawei has also shown its new range of cases and screen protectors S10 Trio. In an image on the back side, it can be noted that all Galaxy S10 lineup have same 4 cameras. That can't be true. Maybe they have used same back for all the handsets. Anyhow, there's also Galaxy S10 Plus, that includes a dual selfie camera with Infinity O display, more like a pill, and have a curved screen. Samsung is going to launch the flagship lineup on 20th February at CES 2019. There are a lot more details expected to be leaked soon. So subscribe to this channel for all the latest updates. By commenting below, let us know what is your take on not having a screen protector support for next Samsung Galaxy S10 series.